So let's do problem number 11 of exercise 13.4. Two dice are thrown simultaneously and if x denotes the number of sixes, अगर हम die को throw करते हैं and if we are having 6 on one die, 6 on two dice या फिर दोनों में 6 आए ही ना, ये सब possibilities है इसमें. So that represents x. Okay. Find the expectation of x. तो यहाँ पे word use किया है expectation. Okay, so what is that? Basically they are asking for the mean or expectation of x. ये दोनों का meaning है वो same है. So यहाँ पे x, let x is equals to number of sixes. It is already given. Now first thing is we have to find out the number of sample spaces. अभी दो die है तो possible outcomes है वो 6 square होंगे. So that is 36 possible outcomes are there. So if I write the sample space, अगर फर्स्ट डाई को थ्रो किया है उसमें 1 आ रहा है, दूसरी डाई में भी 1 आ रहा है, so that is 1 1. It may be possible कि फर्स्ट में 1 आए, दूसरे में 2 आए, so that is 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 and the last combination is 1 6. Similarly you can write it for the second row 2 1 2 3 2 4 up to 2 6 and there are total 6 number of rows will be there. So last one is 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 6, right? So one thing is clear, x can take value 0, right? It may take value 0 or it may take value 1 or it may take value 2. क्यों ऐसा है? अगर दोनों डाई है उसमें 1 1 कॉम्बिनेशन आया then value of x is 0. अगर 1 6 वाला combination आया तो over here x value is 1 and if last combination 6 6 comes then x may take value equals to 2. Now it's time to find out the probability for these three different values of x. So over here p of x equals to 0 आपको find out करना है. कैसे करेंगे? So you can count how many times this event is occurring. तो कैसे गिनना है यहाँ पे देखो, ये कॉम्बिनेशन है 1 2 3, so up to this one ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन होगा 1 5 वाला, तो एक रो में 5 कॉम्बिनेशन ऐसे है. Similarly there are 5 rows are there, so 5 into 5 that is equals to 25. तो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 25 out of 36 possible combinations. Then p of x equals to 1 निकालना है हमें. ओके, सो यू कैन सी दैट कि यहाँ पे 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 and up to 5 6 that will have a value of x which is equals to 1. तो यहाँ पे 5 वैल्यूज ये आएगी और यहाँ पे 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5, तो 5 वैल्यूज ये आएगी. 5 plus 5 that is equals to 10, तो यहाँ पे होगा 10 by 36, right? And the last one is p of x equals to 2. So ऐसा एक ही combination है over here 6 and 6 and I can write it 1 upon 36. Okay, तो ये वैल्यू हम टेबल में लिख लेते हैं. So 25 by 36 10 by 36. देखो अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम रहता है तो हम किसी को कैंसिल नहीं करेंगे. यहाँ पे हम ऐसा नहीं लिखेंगे 5 by 18, right? So 10 by 36 and last one is 1 by 36, right? So कैसे वेरीफाई करेंगे कि हमने जो निकाला है वो सही है या गलत है? So you add them, 25 plus 10 that is 35, 35 plus 1 that is 36. 36 by 36 is 1. Now it's time to find out the value of mu. Mu is also expectation of x and expectation of x का जो इक्वेशन था वो क्या था? I equals to, कहां से स्टार्ट होगा? I will start from 0 and its last value will be 2, right? And then after xi into pi, right? तो अभी सिर्फ मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. ओके, 0 into 25 by 36, so answer is 0 plus 1 into 10 raised to 36, so that is 10 by 36 plus यहाँ पे होगा 2 by 36, so it is 2 by 36, so 12 by 36 and that is 1 by 3. तो ये हो गया हमारा आंसर, right? Okay, so it is very easy. Okay. Thank you.